What's up, guys? Tommy here for Green Rhino. Yeah, this is kind of like I already did this job, so I'm just gonna kind of explain what's going on here. Is booked the job over the phone. It was for this living room, a little oversized, and the staircase. Charging $250, but I did do a deodorizer on it and just treated some spots with some stain remover. It's for organic stain remover. Because I didn't see a lot of pet stains and stuff, but I did smell like dog odor, that dog odor. It was really potent. These people actually got to sell on them. We're going to be putting it on the market, and I've already had some, remarks saying it kind of stinks in there from people that have seen it already. So they called me up. A guy used me before. So I just did the Green Rhino cocktail like I always do, guys. Except I didn't add the peroxide in this one because I was addressing more of the odor. And the odor was, it slapped you in your face, So yeah, I went ahead with the Sagerstad eucalyptus, boosted my pre-spray. Went around some obvious organic stains. I think they were just spilled and stuff like that, but yeah, and went ahead and did it. So I got the PSI set at 500 here, and just making sure I'm getting a good rinse. If you notice, I'm kind of holding the trigger down frontward and backwards. All right, and then when I'm going across it and go ahead and do my dry strokes, so you can see the contrast there. So guys that are watching this video and been watching my channel, and you're probably a guy who's thinking about getting to the carpet cleaning industry, or somebody who's new and just trying to step up their game and get all the information they can. Well, this is what this channel is about in general. I show the process. It's a ride along every day with me. You see what I'm doing every day, and I explain as much as I can to you guys. But this is just the process, right? The process it's important, but it's not everything, guys. If you want to go ahead and run a business, get a business going, and make it successful, there's other things you need to do. Real quick, guys, if you're looking to get in the carpet cleaning business, I got a school, I got a course that covers everything below all my videos. And also, if you're looking for an app that just takes care of everything in your business, billing, scheduling, even asking for reviews, online booking, so much more. House Call Pro link is also below. If you use that link, you get 2 months half off. So be sure you use that link. All right, so back to the video. So this is low pile carpet, and it's a polypropylene. You will get those wear patterns in it. And they got slight wear patterns in here, but not enough that really slaps you in your face. So the buyers are probably going to replace this carpet anyway, because it's more of a commercial carpet. You don't see this that much inside of homes. So you learn this as you get into the carpet cleaning, doing different jobs, how to identify fibers and stuff like that without having to pull a fiber out and do burn tests and all that stuff. So yeah, it was a really easy job. So every time I do a full pet treatment or a full deodorizer, and I just pre-spray everywhere, I always make sure I agitate everywhere. So we bring out the CRB and we go over the whole carpet, wherever I spray that down, because I want to agitate that deodorizer into the fiber, right? Not just the top. Get into as far as you can go down to the back end of the carpet and let it do its thing. By the time I get to it with the Green Rhino cocktail, at least it's ready. So the reason why I don't use enzymes, because enzymes is a waiting game. The longer sometimes you need to wait a lot longer than I want to be on that job, and time's money in carpet cleaning. That's the reason why I don't do enzymes, and also I don't do enzymes either as far for pet treatments and stuff, is because you can run into wicking problems. So you can treat something, an organic stain, come back and you have to fix it. You get a call from the customer. And what do you use? A peroxide to do that. right? So I don't. So I use peroxide for stain and semi-odor removal, and then I use Sagerside eucalyptus for my odor removal part of it, and it works amazing. I've never had a call back whenever I use that. So why would I become a solution junkie if I got the chemistry already? All right, guys. Hope you guys liked that one. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.